Welcome back to the International Greenkeepers for Hire channel. Today we are talking about the power of soil amendments. Maintaining a healthy soil profile is key for optimal turf performance, and if you want to take your turf care to the next level, you need to commit to more than just regular mowing, fertilising and weeding. This is where soil amendments come in. The right amendments can play an important role in enhancing soil fertility, structure, drainage and nutrient availability. There are two main categories of soil amendments: organic and inorganic. Organic materials like compost, manure or biosolids improve soil structure, water retention and nutrient availability. These are fantastic for long-term turf health, but remember, they can impact drainage in some situations. Inorganic amendments are best for targeted solutions. Think lime for adjusting pH, gypsum for improving drainage in heavy clay soils, and sand for lightening up compacted areas. These allow you to fine-tune your soil profile for specific needs. There are some key times to utilise soil amendments. First, during the initial soil preparation, whether it's a new sports field, golf course fairway or high traffic park area, amending the soil from the start sets the foundation for long-term success. Second, a part of a core aeration program. Amending alongside core aeration allows for deeper penetration of materials, maximising its effectiveness. And finally, a targeted problem solving. If a specific section of your turf is struggling with drainage or nutrient deficiencies, soil amendments can be targeted solutions to get things back on track. Remember, the secret to success is understanding your specific soil conditions. Regularly testing your soil will tell you exactly what your turf needs, allowing you to choose the right amendments for the job. By understanding different types of soil amendments and using them strategically, you can help strengthen your turf and give it what it needs to withstand daily mowing, watering and foot traffic. For more turf care tips and tricks, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video so it reaches more people. You can find more educational content on our website at internationalgreenkeepers.com. Thanks for watching.